IBM Systems or 360. I- IBM stands for International Business Machine. International Business Machines developed 360 mainframe model. 360 stood for 360 degrees all around computer system. It was designed on transistor technology and was available for both commercial and scientific uses. Major development lead to significant improvements in speed, computing power, and reliability of computers. In 1950, the computers were made using vacuum tubes and transistors. In 1970s, integrated circuits were used. Later, with the development of microprocessor, personal computers and laptops were developed. Next topic we have is computer generations. Computers are categorized in terms of various generations based on their hardware technology used in their manufacturing. Computers are classified into five generations. First generation computers. First generation computers started from 1940 to 1952. Used vacuum tubes. The first generation computers were huge and expensive. They generate lot of hits. They have limited speed. They use binary language for programming. As they use binary language for programming, so it is difficult to program them. For example, Mark 1, ENIAC, ADVEC, etc. Second generation computers. Second generation started from 1952 to 1964. Second generation used transistors. The second generation computers were smaller, cheaper, faster than first generation. They consume less power. They are transferable because of smaller size. They used high-level languages like Algol, COBOL, and Fortran, etc. Examples are IBM 700, IBM 1401, IBM 1620, IBM 7094, etc. Third generation computers. Third generation computers start from 1964 to 1971. Third generation used ICs. The third generation computers were smaller, cheaper, faster than second generation computers. Operating system made them user friendly. Basic language was introduced for programming the computer. For example, CDC 1700 EDP1145. Fourth generation computers. Fourth generation computers start from 1972 to till date. Fourth generation use microprocessors. The fourth generation computers are smaller, cheaper, faster, reliable, powerful, and versatile than third generation computers. User-friendly GUI operating system was introduced in the fourth generation computers. For example, HP 9845 and VAX. Fifth generation computers. The fifth generation computers are under development using artificial intelligence and parallel processing. Artificial intelligence is the technology with which a machine is made to think and take decisions like human beings. These computers will be capable of using many spoken languages. Types of computers: supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers, microcomputers, and the fifth one is wearable computers. Number 1, supercomputers. Supercomputers are largest, fastest, and more expensive. They are based on the concept of parallel processing, where large number of processors work together. It means that they are used where large number of processors are required. For example, in weather forecasting, weapon research and development, rockets and space technology, oil exploration, etc. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers can support thousands of users and multiple programs at the same time. Qualified operators and programmers are required to operate them. They are used in research organizations, banks, and government organizations. Mini computers. Mini computers were developed to handle specific tasks like engineering and CAD calculations. It supports multiple users at one time and is suitable for medium-sized organizations. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are designed to be used by one person at a time and are used in homes, business, etc. Microcomputers are desktop, workstation, laptop, palm top, tablet, PC. Desktop. It is the most popular computer that can be placed on a desk or table. It has a CPU, keyboard, mouse for input, and monitor for the output. These are commonly used in schools, homes, and businesses. Workstation. Workstation is a desktop computer that has a more powerful processor, additional memory, large monitor with enhanced capabilities for performing a large group of tasks such as 3D graphics, CAD, CAM, etc. Laptop. It is a computer which can be placed on one's lap. It is small in size but costs a lot more than desktop computer. It is portable. Palm top. Palm top is a small handheld computer. It does not have all size full-sized keyboard. Instead, it uses special pens and touch-sensitive screens for entering data. Tablet or PC. Tablet or PC is portable computer. It has an electronic pen called stylus that is used to write on the tablet screen. Wearable computers. Wearable computers can be worn on body. There is consistency between user and computer. There is no need to turn the device on or off. They have ability of multitasking. Thanks all of you students. You may keep praying from Allah to keep us safe. And all of the people of world from the present pandemic of COVID-19. Subjecting and objective notes has been provided, so should write these notes on your notebook.